How to see login history on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can see your login history on Facebook. Now basically, if you want to see login history on Facebook, it's quite simple, but before that, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because after the latest version on Facebook, the option is changed. So first, you want to open up Facebook, log into your account, tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen here, and then tap on settings or the gear icon and head into settings. Under settings, you'll find the option that says Meta Account Center that you can see at the top here. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, there your Meta here, this will open up. Now if you scroll down below, you'll find option that says password and security, the personal details, your information and permissions. You want to simply tap on option called password and security. Under password and security here, under security checks, you can see the option where you are logged in. So first you want to choose the account that you want to see the login detail for. You can see my Insta and Facebook are connected, so I'm getting two different options. So I'll just choose Facebook, and once you choose Facebook, you'll find various accounts that your Facebook is logged in on. You can see my Facebook is logged in on this certain devices here. If you want, you can select devices to log out, simply tap on it, and once you tap on, you can select all, or you can select certain devices and you can log it out from those devices. So this way you can see login history on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.